Here is a quick question on collision, and the question reads: a ball of mass 0.5 kg moving at 10 meters per second collides with another ball of equal mass. So the mass of this first ball is equivalent to that of the second ball. They now said at rest. Now, if the two balls moves off together after the impact, calculate their common velocity. So in this place, in this very question, we are asked to find our v, final velocity, for the two moving balls. Now, if you observe something, after they collided, the question said that they moves off together. Now, what type of collision will result in such scenario, whereby two bodies will stick together and move together? That type of collision is called inelastic collision. Inelastic collision. And to be much more specific, you say perfectly inelastic collision. It will cause the two bodies to stick together and to move off with the same common final velocity. So let's see what was given in this question, and let's see how we are going to solve the question. They said a ball of mass 0.5 kg. Since we have two balls in this very question, we will call the first one our M1. They said M1 has a mass of what? 0.5 kg. Now, what else did they say about the question? They said that it was moving off at 10 meters per second. Now, if you observe, since this is our M1, this first velocity will be our U1, okay? Because it is initially before they collided. So it has an initial velocity of what? 10 meters per second. They now said it then collide with another ball of equal mass. That other ball will be our M2. Our M2. And like they said, of equal mass. It means that the mass of the second ball will be the same as what? 0.5 kg, based on what they said in the question. And they said that this very second ball was initially at rest. Was initially at what? Rest. That means the initial velocity of the second ball is equals to 0. You can choose to add it. U2 equals 0. Okay? It doesn't matter and it won't affect anything. Now they said if the two balls move together after impact, okay, they said calculate their common velocity. And like I said, we are looking for our final velocity, which is common to both balls. So we say common velocity. And in this place, we don't know the value for it. So guys, basically this was what was given in the question above. Now, what formula do you think we can use to solve for this very question? Now, because they said two balls collided and moved together, and also because they said only one ball was initially moving, the formula we will use is M1U1 equals to M1 plus M2 in brackets, then times V. And like we know, V is going to be our what? Our final velocity. So we'll put this in a rectangle just to highlight it. Now, basically, this is the formula we are going to be working with. Now, why am I using this formula? Because initially, only one body was moving. If it was both bodies that was moving, in this very side, I would have written M1U1 plus M2U2 equals M1 plus M2 in bracket times V. But because it was just only M1 that was moving, that's why you have M1U1 only on this side. I hope that is clear enough. So basically, this is the formula we are working with. What we do next? We will impute all this value into this very formula. Let's do that right away. What is our M1? Our M1 is 0.5. What is our U1? Our U1 is what? 10. So we'll say times 10. Then what else? They said is equals to, in bracket, what is our M1? Our M1 is what? 0.5 added to, what is our M2? Our M2 is what? 0.5. Close the bracket. And like we know, our V has no value. So we'll leave it as V. So guys, we have moved a little bit further. We have gotten to this stage. What else do we do? Let's simplify further. 0.5 times 10 gives us exactly 5. Okay? Now, 0.5 added to 0.5 gives us 1. So we'll times it with a v outside. So what do we now have from here? 5 is equals to, any number times 1 is that same number. So it will be equals v. So therefore we cannot say that our final common velocity for these two balls with which they will move together after impact is v equals what? 5. And the unit for velocity is what? Meter per second. And this is the answer to this very question. Thanks for watching.